Good morning, everyone. I'm whispering because my boyfriend is still sleeping. It's a Sunday today and we are vlogging today. I was just washing away some dishes that we left from yesterday's dinner, and I'm about to go outside and get some bread for our breakfast. I'm not bringing you along with me. I'm not comfortable vlogging in public, and that's not common at all here, so people would also be pretty uncomfortable if they saw me filming around. I'm pretty hungry already, and my boyfriend should be up soon, so let's go get us some bread for our breakfast. I almost forgot to say hi, hello, good morning. If you're new here, I'm Catz. Welcome, I'm videos here every week, so if you want to see more of those, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and let's go with today's vlog. It's 11:30 now. I have to go get ready because today we are having lunch in my in-laws, and then we will finish the vlog because afternoon it is no longer morning. Can we all agree? I'm not doing much honestly to get ready. I'm just gonna put just a little tiny bit of makeup. I'm gonna go get dressed and that's about it. I'm using the Tartiste Pro To Go Tarte palette. I love this and it smells so good. I really love it. So yeah, this has just been a chill Sunday morning, just with my boyfriend and my dogs. My boyfriend does not show up in these vlogs because he is a really private person, so you won't be seeing him around here. And now we're gonna go have lunch with my in-laws. With the pandemic, I honestly haven't been with anyone besides them, so my boyfriend's family and my little brother. That's it. I haven't seen anyone else, and I have to tell you, it is a bit weird for me that this situation is not as strange to me, as uncomfortable as it probably should be, because I spend a lot of time alone, and most of my time, even before the pandemic, was spent with my brother and my boyfriend's family. So I do have friends that I miss quite a lot, and I have colleagues at work that miss going to the office. I don't at all. Honestly, my anxiety levels have decreased a lot since I quit coffee, but it's not just that. I think it has a lot to do with working from home. It is a lot less nerve-wracking than working at the office. I'm just doing a basic. I don't know how to do any makeup that is not basic, so I did my nails yesterday, which I haven't done in a while, I think. I have mixed feelings about this nail polish. I feel like it's almost the color of my fingers, you know? I think this would probably look nicer in someone with a lighter skin or darker skin than mine. Let me just blend this a little bit. I'm doing my eyebrows now. I was just plucking my eyebrows, but I did not feel like vlogging that part, so I'm just gonna fill them up a little bit. This pencil is black, so a little goes a long way. I still don't know what I'm gonna do today in the afternoon. I might go see my brother. I'll probably start editing this video, and my boyfriend and I have to go figure out our summer vacation. We still haven't figured out where we are gonna go. Now I'm just gonna put a little mascara. I'm using the Sephora Size Up mascara. I want it to be really soft, so I'm just putting the excess on the napkin. Now try to not poke my eye. We are done. Let me just grab you here. Yeah, we're good. Now we have to go pick up an outfit. Not really an outfit. We have to go pick up the clothes that we are wearing today. I'll see you in a bit. We're done. I just finished getting ready. This is my outfit for today. I don't think you can see. Oops. Oh. Okay, here we go. This is my outfit for today. I got my sneakers and I'm just gonna go put a mask on and my sunglasses and we are ready to go. So I'm ending the vlog here. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. subscribe if you want to. As I told you before, I make videos every week, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!